So first of all, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I think that's a very, very special moment. And for me personally, it's a great honor and a pleasure to participate in that very, very special moment and event here in London. The Huawei P9, obviously, is an exceptional product, as Richard just presented to you. And that product will, for sure, set new standards in many ways. The highly innovative smartphone, co-engineered with Leica, is the starting point and the first result of a long-term collaboration between our two companies. Our aim is to develop solutions in the smartphone camera module segment and to improve, obviously, the user experience by enhancing optical performance and optical design. The strategic alliance is a defining moment in Leica's journey. Our shared passion for the perfect image has helped us to work together towards a device that will be the preferred tool for the creation of many great images, moments that inspire people around the world in terms of picture quality and creative freedom. When choosing partners and choosing partners for collaborations, the brand fit is always key, and sharing the same values is definitely mandatory. So the collaboration between Huawei and Leica provides fantastic opportunities. Both are global premium brands with a clear focus on the entire customer journey and a strong belief in the power of the brand experience. Both companies successfully engage with their customers across multiple languages, cultures, all kinds of channels, and obviously devices. We keep photography and consumers with their experience in our focus. And that is exactly where we are simply connecting the dots between the two companies. Huawei is a very reliable partner and a respected representative of the rich history and culture of China. Our companies share the same vision when it comes to photography, and we both put a lot of effort into ensuring quality. Our process really starts with the identification of a consumer need and then developing the best solution to meet it. We offer the consumers the best elements of two acknowledged brands by combining innovation and design and obviously enhancing the user experience by offering premium image quality. A Leica image has an unmistakable character with a structure, depth, and natural expression that goes far beyond typical parameters such as sharpness, contrast, and resolution. This really makes a Leica image very unique. This is our benchmark for every product we develop, and also for the co-engineering part for the Huawei P9. And its innovative dual-lens camera. This is a really new type of experience. The handling of Leica products is a source of intense pleasure. They're intuitive and easy to understand. And our cameras allow complete concentration on the subject, means no, you're not having to battle with the camera settings. Focus on the image, focusing on what you'd like to achieve. And this approach has been transferred to the design of the Huawei P9's graphical user interface. What is the future of photography? Our vision is to have every person in the world connected with picture taking. And both smartphones and cameras will help us to connect with consumers and allow people to take photos and to share photos. Mobile devices allow everyone to be a creator and enable a different type of photography. It's a very nice extra asset in our world. That's why we say, and we really do that, Leica openly welcomes smartphones in the world of photography. Smartphone images have become an instant method of communication and a democratic visual language without boundaries. We believe that consumers are nowadays using both Huawei and Leica cameras, Huawei smartphones and Leica cameras, in a playful manner, depending on the situation, the moment, and your personal desired result. The technology partnership with Huawei offers Leica an excellent opportunity to introduce its proven optical expertise into a new product segment. Acting from a position of strength, we aim to unlock exciting business areas in the field of mobile devices, and definitely we strive for growth through joint efforts. We are absolutely convinced that combining Huawei's strength in building first-class communicational devices with Leica optical excellence will truly foster the reinvention of smartphone photography and generate big ideas that will shape our future. We believe in the power of this collaboration, and we also believe in uncompromising quality, craftsmanship, and true innovation. All of these values are at the heart of Huawei, as it is at the heart of Leica and our common partnership, and the innovations that will follow. I thank you very much.